Wait. Good one. Sir, you got a smallmouth on.
Monty, take video with this. Take video with this.
Okay, is it working?
Yeah, press the red button, it'll start. Press the red button.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, here we go.
Is that recording? Look at it, make sure.
Yes, it's recording. Tapping that.
Yeah, well let's tire him out. Oh, do I have something too in it?
Here he goes.
Did you lose him?
Nope. Turn on fine.
That's great, yeah, might as well let him tire out before... Oh my God!
You got it? Did you get that?
I don't know, I swear to God, because I'm doing three things at once.
Watch him.
Plus I got...
Watch him, here he goes.
This is unbelievable.
Jump.
Great fight. Great fight.
He's gonna jump.
Caught him on a squiggly. Same thing I caught my perch on. This one's a bigger squiggly. Oh!
Got the net?
Yes, sir. Well, wait. Tire him out. He's still fighting good. There's no reason to pull him in any sooner than you need to. This is what fishing's all about. How many pound test line do you have there, Dennis?
It's about 6 pounds.
6 pound test?
Yep.
What brand reel? What brand reel?
He's gonna jump.
What brand reel? Oh, what a shot! What a shot! This guy is great. Dennis catches so many fish. I've learned so much today, and I caught 2 fish myself today, which is unusual.
I think it's time.
Let's see if we can get the camera underwater to get them underwater pictures of them. Pull him in, and we're going to net him. Still pulling nice. Whoa. Guy's fighting. Unbelievable. That's the thing about smallmouths, they jump so much more. Let me get him underwater now, here. Bring him in. Let's see what he looks like underwater. That's beautiful, isn't it? Got him with a Mr. Squiggly. What do you call that bait?
The squiggly, smallmouth.
Smallmouth with a squiggly. That's what we can catch in tomorrow.
Nice. Thomas Stump, this is for you, buddy. Thomas Stump.
Dennis got me in a position where I caught a largemouth and a smallmouth earlier today. Thank you, Dennis. And now Dennis catches a really nice one. We'll weigh him after the fact. Yeah, we can weigh him right now for the video, you know that? I'm not quite sure how to set the scale.
Oh, he's bleeding him out. What do you think? You know what? I think I'm going to keep him.
Okay, let's weigh him. Let's
You got my video?
got the weight. Let's put the weight on him. Here.
Where do you want to put it?
Just hook it through the gills. So. I could do it for you if you want, Dennis.
I don't want to lose it.
Okay, you hold on to the fish and let me get this under the gills. Okay, let go, let go. 2 pounds, it's 1.98.
2 pounder.
It's not bad though, it's a beautiful fish.
Put him in the cooler, I'm taking him home.
Okay, here, take the fish for a sec in the scale. Shut the camera.